Selling a music catalog is one of the most important decisions an artist, songwriter, or producer can make. Many artists I represent attribute it to selling one of their babies. They just don't want to let it go. A lot of attention is placed on the sale itself, but far less on what actually changes afterward, and even less on how the decision feels on a personal level. You need to take this into account, and understanding the reality is essential before moving forward. The first thing to acknowledge is this: selling a catalog is not an easy decision. For many creators, a catalog is not just a financial asset. It represents years of work, personal sacrifice, identity, and moments tied to their lives and their careers. Because of that, it is completely normal to have mixed emotions. On one side, you're gonna sell for a lot of money. On the other side, you're letting go of your babies. Before diving deeper, I want you to keep this in mind. We've created a tool that would be very useful to you, especially if you have mixed emotions about selling your catalog, to see if you are ready to let go of your babies. From a practical standpoint, one of the first things that changes after a sale is your relationship with your songs. So depending on the deal, you may give up full or partial ownership of your rights. That means you may no longer have the final say on how certain works are used, licensed, or commercially exploited. In some cases, creators remain involved creatively. Many times, control shifts entirely to the buyer. This is why it's critical to understand exactly which rights are being transferred and which, if any, you are retaining. Another major change is how you receive income. Instead of collecting royalties over time, a sale usually involves a lump sum payment or a hybrid structure. While this provides immediate liquidity and you could use that money for other ventures, it also means walking away from your future income that the catalog could continue to generate for years. And once again, this is where emotions come into play. Letting go of the future revenue can feel just as difficult as letting go of the music itself. There's also a significant tax and financial impact. You have to prepare for taxes. Without proper structuring, a substantial portion of the value of the deal can be lost to taxes or inefficient financial decisions. Tax strategy is a thing, and you need to be aware of it. Beyond that, a sale changes your long-term strategy. Many creators continue making music after selling a catalog, but with a different approach. Some use the sale to reinvest, diversify their income, or fund new projects. Others negotiate to retain certain rights in order to preserve a connection to their work. Many times you can ask for a reversion, and it's a temporary sale. Everything depends on how the deal is structured and what matters most to the creator. This leads to the key point. Selling a catalog is not just a financial transaction. It is a strategic and deeply personal decision. What are you going to do with the money? Do you want to sell? Do you want to let go? Do you want to get those rights back? It's personal. It depends on you. Selling everything is not the same as selling just a portion of your catalog. Giving up control is not the same as retaining key rights. Every clause in the agreement defines what your relationship with your music will look like after the sale. In conclusion, after selling a music catalog, control changes, income changes, and your creative and financial planning changes. This is why the decision should be made with time, clarity, and a solid legal structure that protects your interests before, during, and after the sale. I have sold tons of catalogs for multi-millions of dollars. There's an art to it, and if done right, it can change your life. Click the link below and try our free evaluation tool. It's going to help you understand if you are ready to sell your catalog.